It's ice cream making time, fall edition. Although they're just as tasty at any time of the year. And these are the ice creams we're gonna do today. Eggnog, I've perfected it. Pumpkin, perfected that. I've been working on pumpkin and eggnog for years. I finally got the right ingredients to make these pop and taste fantastic. Rum raisin, a traditional favorite. Mango, apple. I'm surprised there's not more apple ice cream out there. It's really tasty. And peach. And then we have an assortment of mix-ins that we're gonna put in towards the end. Like previous rounds of ice cream runs, I'll have all of these flavors separately and you can just kind of watch any of the ones you're most interested in. Otherwise, the video could be incredibly long. Today we're doing pumpkin. We're gonna start out with 90 grams of canned pumpkin. Make sure you get it all. 1/8 of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you do a little more, it's okay. 12 ounces of milk, 2%. 30 grams of vanilla protein powder. 5 grams of collagen peptide. And now, the secret of this whole thing, we're going to use pumpkin pie classic syrup. This isn't sugar-free like a lot of the Da Vinci's. Serving is 2 tablespoons. We're only going to do 1 because we got the pumpkin in there. Mix it up with the whisk. All right, that looks pretty good. All the little pieces of protein powder get taken care of. Kept it off, set it to the side, put it in the freezer for 24 hours, take it out, see how it does. I've run the CREAMi under hot water for about 60 seconds. Put the top on, put it in, turn on the CREAMi, full. We're gonna go light ice cream and hit the button. Pull it out. Nice and smooth on the sides, not icy. So let's give it a taste. Oh man, that's on point. It's taken years to do this, but I don't think I'm gonna run it again. I mean, just look at that. That's a nice pumpkin ice cream, and we're gonna give you 2 scoops because it's that good. And then we have some pumpkin cookies, kind of jazz it up a little bit. That is everything fall. I don't think you'd want to do another tablespoon of that. I like the cookies. This is all unsponsored. It's almost like a ice cream sandwich. The cookies give it more of a pie taste, pie feel, or an ice cream sandwich feel. For years I've been trying to perfect this recipe, and I think I've done it. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in ice creams of all kinds, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what ice cream goodness you're gonna taste.